Media. We welcome you and we are happy that you could join us today despite the heat. I know outside it is very hot. At the outset, my greetings to you on the occasion of the World Bicycle Day. I recollect all the hard work and efforts that we have to put in to make United Nations declare World Bicycle Day, a day exclusively for bicycle. We went to United Nations several times on behalf of the World Cycling Alliance and the European Cyclist Federation. As you know, I am the first Vice President of the World Cycling Alliance. Oh, introductions first. I am D.V. Manohar, Chairman Smart Bike, India's largest public bike sharing company, and first Vice President, World Cycling Alliance based at Brussels. To my left is Dr. Satyanarayana Reddy. He is the President of Hyderabad Bicycling Club. And to my right is Shravan. Shravan is the General Manager of Smart Bike and Hyderabad Bicycling Club. I was telling you about the efforts we have to put in to make United Nations announce an exclusive day for bicycle. When that happened in 2018, the very first event we organized in New Delhi. In New Delhi at Connaught Place, the then Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu Garu, he flagged off a massive cycling rally of about 5,000 cyclists. It is the largest ever cycling event in New Delhi. So that's how we have begun the World Bicycling Day, the first one. Thereafter, every year we have been organizing in a different city. Last year it was in Chandigarh, before that it was in Chennai, and before that it was in Hyderabad, so on and so forth. This year we are organizing at 3 different cities. The largest, of course, is in Hyderabad, our own city, where 2,500 cyclists will be participating, and Chandigarh, about 2,000 cyclists will be participating, and New Delhi, we are doing it along with Sports Authority of India, where about 500 cyclists from our side will be participating. In all, a total of 5,000 cyclists participating in these 3 cities. On the World Bicycle Day celebration, we have on the coming coming Sunday, that is 7th of June. We request all of you to come join us at Smart Bike Cycling Hub at ORR Narsinghi, where we have our public bike sharing system at Narsinghi ORR Hub, as we call it, and that is in the morning, of course, and it will be flagged off at 7 o'clock. We request you to be there well in advance, because Mr. Venkaiah Naidu is the chief guest, and you know his punctuality. He is an exceptionally punctual politician. No other politician in the country is as punctual as him. If it is at 7 o'clock, he'll be there by 5 to 7. So he is the chief guest. He will flag off the event, and several dignitaries will be there. In Chandigarh, it is the Chief Secretary of Chandigarh who is the chief guest, and he will flag it off. In New Delhi, it is Vikram Masek, the celebrity, and Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs, Mr. Mansukh Mandaviya, who will be flagging it off. These are the details of the events. In addition to that, I want to